are gonna have our dinner at the Kimchi. We are gonna have our dinner at the Kimchi. This used to be the Korea Grill way back 2015 or 2014, and now they reopened. They just opened last September 5, and the new name is the Kimchi. Add mo to?
Thank you.
This one is complimentary. These are all free. Just the same like when you do samgyeopsal in the Philippines. Hi everyone, this is Ray. Welcome to our channel. Another food vlog. This is a fried egg. This bean sprouts with kimchi, cucumbers and kimchi, dried anchovies, eggplant, 3 kinds of sauce, oil with salt, and I know this is hot sauce and I'm not so sure about this. Greens with kimchi, sliced jalapenos, sliced garlic, radish, and rice soup with peanut and carrots with the strips of sushi wrap or nori.
See that, guys? That right there is behind the scenes.
This is tteokbokki. It consists of rice cake, fish cakes, and I just asked for medium spicy. And this is a kimchi fried rice, tapos egg. And this is ribeye, strip loin, LA galbi, marinated one, and this is also LA galbi or short rib. That's not marinated. I forgot until when I'm in the restaurant I'm still cooking. Cool. You know why I love tteokbokki, a rice cake, fish cakes? It's because when I watch the Korean drama, weightlifting fairy too. And I love Kimchi.
Thank you. Right there. It's good.
This is also LA galbi.
The same short rib, but different way to cut.
Yeah.
LA galbi.
We call just the yangnam galbi.
See that right there, guys? I smashed it.
See that right there, guys? We smashed it.
Why don't people get their own stuff and be original?
Why do people do that? Also, the original.
My point exactly.